Came from a broken family. Among the 12 siblings, I became the only one who finished graduate in college. Growing up, there were many times or moments when I questioned my worth. There were nights where I cried silently because I didn't know what life would bring me. There were moments when I almost gave up because I thought dreams has already ended. Then God gave me another chance. The second chance was called the alternative learning system. But sadly, not everyone understood what is ALS truly meant. I still remember the discrimination. I still remember the painful words. People laugh us. People judge us. Some would even say, ALS, alsa-alsa o kahoy. ALS para sa mga gahig ulo, ALS para sa mga badlungon sa komunidad. Every time I hear those words, they hurt. Not because they insulted me, but because they made us feel like we're less than everyone else. Like we're not intelligent enough, like we did not deserve another opportunity, like our future had already been decided by our past. But today, I stand before you to answer that every person who ever looked down on ALS learner is a big no. ALS is not a school of failures. ALS is not school for people without dreams. ALS is not a place for people who have no future. ALS is a place where lives are restored. ALS is a place where broken dreams are rebuilt. ALS is a place where hope begins again. And today, I stand before you as a living proof that sa ALS may pag-asa, sa ALS may kinabukasan. If there's one group of people I want to honor today, it is our ALS teachers and facilitators. Many people think your job is simply to teach lessons, but to us, you are more than teachers. You are hope builders. You are dream builders. You are life changers. You may not realize it, but every time you encourage us, every time you smiled us, every time you said, kaya na nimo, kaya na ninyo, you were changing someone's life. You were restoring someone's confidence. You were building someone's future. You may be teachers by professions, but for us, you are a source of inspiration. Your words matter. Your kindness matters. Your patience matters. Your belief in us matters. Because sometimes, when we no longer believe in ourselves, you believe in us. When others saw our failures, you saw our potentials, our dear teachers and facilitators of us. When others judge us because of our past, you chose to believe in our future. And for that, we will forever be grateful. Today, I want personally thank people whom God used to change my life. To our district coordinator of North Butuan District, to Sir Country Aguilar, to Ma'am Matel Plaza, to Ma'am Michelle Ladisma, to Ma'am Leslie, to Ma'am Nika, and to the rest of the AS facilitators and teachers during my time. Thank you so much because you believe in me and you saw my potential as a intelligent student, as a student who have a dream that is want to achieve and a driving force that will lead me to my success today. So thank you so much. And thank you for believing in me when I no longer believe in myself. Thank you for reminding me that my life still had purpose. Because of your encouragement, I found the courage to dream again. Because of you, I decided to enroll at Caraga State University even before the result of accreditation equivalency test. I simply prayed that every day and every night to God would allow me to pass both the exam, the equivalency test exam and the CSU entrance examination. And then one day the result came. I passed the A&A test and I was one of the top notcher of entire Butuan City. And also I am the number one top notcher in our district, in North Butuan District. I cried not because I am successfully overnight, but I have realized that God never forget me. To be honest, I never imagined that one day I would finish my bachelor's degree. I never imagined that I would graduate with flying colors and different awards that I will receive. I never imagined that the young man who was once laughed because he came from alternative learning system would one day become an environmental scientist. I never imagined that I would become a researcher. I would never imagine that I would stand before you today as your guest speaker. Only God could write a story like that. Today, also want to express my heartfelt gratitude to the Department of Education and the Bureau of Alternative Education. Thank you for creating the alternative learning system. Thank you for believing that every Filipino deserves a second chance. Thank you for giving people like a platform to restore our dreams, our lives, our confidence, and rediscover our dreams. ALS is more than an educational program. ALS is a place where hope is restored. ALS is a place where broken lives are rebuilt. And because of ALS, thousands of lives, including me, have been changed forever. Today, I would also like to express my sincere gratitude to the local government unit of Butuan City for its unwavering support and commitment